it fair.
2 games. How many days?
No. 24 hours.
We have a lot more to lose. Kasi
Yeah.
kami yung housemates.
Yeah, you have a lot more to lose, whatever like that. But don't you think na if nanalo kami, we wouldn't be that mean to you guys? Kasi I've been here.
Grabe naman. Hindi naman kami naging mean.
No. Hindi. Ate Luz, patapusin mo muna ako. If we will win...
Some people are mean to some people.
No. If we will win, we wouldn't be mean to you guys na pahihirapan ka. We will ask Kuya na, Kuya, we played it fair.
Tsaka masarap manalong may laban. Masarap manalong may laban.
No, I'm not yet done.
Wait.
Hindi pa ako tapos. Kasi, let me explain lang good.
Okay.
If we will win, I really promise to you guys that we wouldn't be so mean na di ba, weekly budget, importante yun. Kahit kami, malas kami, pumasok kami dito, gulay kami araw-araw. I mean, we wouldn't be mean to you guys. We will ask Kuya na, Kuya, total, alis na kami. No. Kuya is a good person.
Okay.
He wouldn't do...
Sige, ganito na lang.
Slater lang. Slater, I know marami pa kayong panahon. Dami pa kayo. Marami pang mangyayari. Pero, if we will win, we don't know pa, if we will win, we wouldn't be so mean na kanang pababayaan ka namin, kayong lahat pag umalis kami. But all we wanted is to play fair.
Yeah.
Kasi kahit paano
Also, it's not about winning or losing. It's about how you play the game. Diba? Kung paano kayo mananalo. Hindi yung, okay, we know we're winning, pero walang magandang struggle.
Walang tension.
Walang magandang struggle.
Hindi tension. It's like, ang sarap kasi nang napanalunan niyo because you deserve it.
But it's sad because you guys have already given up.
Yeah, kasi no matter what we do, we don't want violence eh.
We don't
want violence. We're not.
I'm just talking to you and...
Defend violence.
No,
Let's stop
Box?
We didn't give up.
You listen na. Susugod kami. Say, don't talk.
It's not violent. That's not violent.
No. It will turn into violence because magkakasakitan tayo. That's what Kuya implement us. Na if susugod, wag ganon. Kasi that's not how KBB is. So that's why I'm proposing you guys will have one game, at least 2 points lang. That's all. I mean, let's play it fair. Kasi if susugod kami, you're gonna pull, you're gonna siko-siko like that. I mean, we don't want that. I don't want that. Ayoko masira yung anong meron sa akin. Diba? You think about it. I know you're a lot smarter than this. I know you deserve more than this. Not just that, because, you know, it's not fair naman sa amin din. Because we know that, nandyan na yan eh. We just don't want to have if it's not violence, we just don't want na yung gripping, yung sakitan. Kasi yun yung first sinabi namin ni Kuya. Yung nangyayari sa atin dyan.
Firstly, parang natupating kayo dito, not fair na for us kasi kung ano na sinasabi niyo sa amin.
Because that is the purpose. Because that is the purpose why we're here. But now,
our purpose protects the box.
Yeah, you protect the box.
But while I'm protecting the box, it's not giving it to you for games.
Sobrang losing.
Yeah, but that's what we do. But the problem is, I'm proposing to you right now for a deserving win. Because all of us know that the box is
We'll think about it. Well, give us time to think. And plus, we might think about a game. We can think about a game.
Pinopropose ko sa kanila.
Bawal kumain.
Makinig ka sa akin. Pinopropose ko sa kanila for a deserving win. We have a one game. Kasi alam na natin lahat nandyan na yung box. But it's up to them. At least we tried. One game.
Yeah. How about let us have a talk first.
Yeah. What if? Yossi tayo.
Yeah, relax.
Tracy, don't talk to us right now. Because we don't like it.
Sorry. Hoy, you did not eat!
Go talk to your teammates.
Teammates?
Yeah. So that everybody in one team go.
I think hindi sila bibigay.
Hindi yan. Meron akong makita sa inyo.
Nainis na ako. I think hindi yan bibigay.
They will never play fair, and they were defensive. You were picking on us. You were picking on us. Sorry,
Then let's not focus on the box. Let's speak on them more.
Hindi.
Nainis na ako.
Relax.
Relax, dear. Kayo nakaka-divine?
Wala talagang kahit anong plano. Over, marami sila. Kahit na anong plano natin. Talagang,
Wala naman talaga
Tapos,
tayong magagawa eh. Kasi
yung
kung
best plan, hindi pwedeng malak yung door dyan.
Daming tao kanina.
Salo na talaga tayo.
Hindi rin, Franzen. Kung susugod tayo, magkakasakitan tayong lahat.
Exactly.
So that's what we're preventing. We don't want to hurt each other. What I'm proposing to them, if they're smarter naman, they knew na yun yung task natin. They wouldn't allow that also eh.
Wala na si Plan B at si Plan C, si Kigoy.
No, Franzen, kahit sasabihin ko na lang kay Kuya, I don't want to have violence. We offer the game. We know that the box is there. If they are so deserving to have the box, they will have a game with us. I mean, kahit tayo matalo, okay lang. We wouldn't be so mean na pahihirapan natin sila sa ano nila.
Rika, anong mo?
Tingin mo, Rika, okay naman yung sinabi ko?
Yes, of course.
Okay naman yung sinabi ko, di ba?
Ano mo, Rika?
Tingin mo, Baron, okay naman yung sinabi ko.
Yeah,
Sobrang panalo nga nung sinabi
Of
mo.
course. And what will that leave them is what is your principle of winning?
The principle of winning is you play fair.
Exactly. That is what you said. But the question is, how will they respond?
Wala, safe na. Gusto niya, we have the box. Alam
Well,
niya
at
lang,
least
checkmate na talaga
everybody watching this show knows that they're not being fair with us. Knows na they want it safe. That knows that they're so plastic
ayaw
that
nilang-
they just focus on winning and not about the
Maganda,
reality.
ilang days na lang tayo dito? Ilang days na lang tayo dito?
Tatlo.
Tatlo. Yung 2 days nga, kung pumayag sila sa game, pwedeng gumawa si Kuya ng 2 game. Us against them.
Yeah.
Diba? Every day, may battle.
Yeah.
Na mag-ano.
Yun yung sabi ko sa kanila eh. Kahit 2 points lang.
Diba?
If they won, okay lang. At
Yeah,
least we played it fair.
At saka, we get to play. We get to bond. Walang sakitan. At the same time, nag-enjoy tayong lahat.
Oo.
Wala nang tension, walang galit sa isa't isa.
Oo.
Ang nangyayari, sila yung may
Tension.
tension na dadala tayo sa tension nila, nagagalit tayo sa kanila, nagagalit din sila sa atin. So talagang, a game talaga would be really nice kung payagan,
Of course,
kung
of
gumawa
course.
si Kuya ng game.
But kasi, again, yung analogy ko nga, turtle. Lalabas ka lang sa shell mo pag feeling mo safe na. A turtle will never go out of his or her shell kung feeling niya unsafe
No.
siya.
Eto na
And
lang,
that
ha?
will make them vulnerable. Matalo sila na wala silang advantage. Takot sila na nasa equal
Si
playing
Nanay Luz
field.
kakaiba din eh.
Nanalus kasi dapat
Pinipersonal niya talaga eh.
Pinipersonal niya eh. Dapat
Hindi.
sana hindi na
Dapat-
napumatsat kanina eh.
Dapat magpa-cute pa rin tayo sa kanila.
Wala si Luz kanina nung handed tayo.
So what?
Wala siya ron. Tatlo lang tayo. Dun.
Hindi ako kailan kasi sinabi ko sa kanya, tumahimik siya. Feeling ko na ano siya sa akin kasi hindi dapat ganun mag-negotiate eh. Dapat mag-negotiate ka being fair to each other, no? Kasi sa kanya, pinupersonal niya. Mas lalo na iba yung isip ng ninegosyahan
Puntahan natin, Kuya. After nito nyo, puntahan natin tayong na.
Punta natin sa
Hindi, wala na tayong may isip pa, pare. Wala nang plano eh. I mean,
pasok pa eh.
hindi, malay mo, may makuha rin tayo sa kanya. Makakuha tayo ng konting motivation kay
Meron pa
Kuya.
tayo dun sa awa thing. Pwede pa natin i-pursue yun.
Oh, sige.
Feeling ko,
Hindi, wala na. Alam na nila, every time na papasok tayo doon, we have a plan eh. Kahit na anong mangyari, alam nila
Then that's
parating
okay.
puntirin. At least we tried.
Then,
Ganun.
yeah.
Sige.
And what will you respond on a different scenario? Kasi yung awa naman, ano na yun eh, parang last straw na natin yun eh.
Sige.
I give up.
Oh, sige.
Ayoko na. Ganon.
Sige, sabihin natin, we
Sige,
give up.
yung game at saka tong ano.
No, if
Ito na.
pagpasok ko doon, sasabihin nila, they don't wanna have a game.
Then I give up.
No,
No,
will decide.
we will try to explain to them
Yeah.
na bakit we wanted to have a game. Kasi, sasabihin natin what we observed from them. Kasi yung,
Careful, ha?
careful.
Kasi gusto ni Kuya na hindi natin ibenta why we're here.
yeah. No, i-observe lang natin na it's just being so unfair with us because you guys are here in the room.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yung turtle mo, yung ganyan,
Yeah.
dapat i-explain natin sa
Yeah.
kanila para they will think na, oo nga. But for sure, they wouldn't think that way kasi they're so focused with the box.
With the box.
But we
That's
don't
fine.
care.
Yeah, we don't care.
We just tell them.
Gusto na natin makita yung behavior nila.
Oo.
Yeah.
But we'll just be careful sa outside world. We just see
Yeah.
na ano yung nakita natin din dito sa loob. Kasi, sinabi ko, inis nga ako kay Shady. Sabi ko, Shady, I don't like the way
Ako
you're
rin.
acting.
Kanina sinabi niya,
Bakit
kami nanulusob kayo? Kita mo, ang dami-dami nila.
Hindi, may sinabi pa si Seichi na hindi maganda sa akin.
Ako na,
Ano
hindi ako
sabi?
kahit... Sige, kung gusto mo kunin yung box,
You,
umusok ka.
dumaan ka muna sa akin. May angas eh. Huwag niya ako angasan eh.
Kasi gusto nila mangyari din kay
Baka
Kigoy.
makikim sa akin yan.
Gusto niya mangyari din kay Kigoy na unti-unti tayo nauubos.
Pero
Sabi ko
mali.
nga,
Dami nila eh.
Sabi ko nga sa kanya,
Mali.
Shady, I don't like the way you act.
Yeah.
So don't talk to me. Ginanong ko siya, sabi ko, I don't like the way you act.
Bastusan eh.
Bastusan
Hindi naman
na kasi
tayo
yun
nandito
eh.
ng
We're just
babastos.
playing
Pinakausap
fair.
na maayos eh.
Sabi ko sa kanila, sabi ni Divine, it's not being violence lang. Sabi ko, it's not being violence na
They're
maghahatak
provoking
tayo.
us to be violent eh.
Wag.
No.
Hindi, kausapin natin si Kuya. Hindi naman ako lulusog.
Kala ko lulusog ka rin sa...
Gagawa ako ng ego.
Doon sa ano?
I'm not gonna do an ego eh.
Lulusog sa kay Big Brother. Kala ko saan.
At sana maisip lang nila kasi kahit anong gagawin natin. Diba?
Punta natin si Big Brother.
We just wait for them kung ano munang reaction nila sa game. Tapos we'll go to Big Brother.
O, puntahan natin ngayon.
Hindi, we just wait for a while muna. Palamig muna tayo sa ulo natin kasi kanina medyo ano ako na...
And this is the best time nga na puntahan si Big Brother. Para sa akin,